How to add auto captions in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have a project in here, and let's play this.
Before, don't worry, I'll go through everything that you need to know. And if you have used it before and you are
Okay, let's say we want to add captions in here. So for adding these captions, you would have to do a little thing. So first you have to go to effect controls. As you can see, there are so many things in here going on, but you can just click on the text to add the captions. Then click on the transcript sequence button. After clicking on it, a window like this would pop up on your screen. So as you can see in here, you can just select the language that you are speaking in. So I've just selected English for that. So now what we are left to do is we have to hit the transcript button. So let's go for the transcript button. So the thing is just doing its work to make our captions ready. And now let's listen to what we have got.
If you've never used DaVinci Resolve before, don't worry, I'll go through everything that you need to know.
So guys, as you can see, Premiere Pro has just created the sequence with the word that's going on in his mouth. So I have noticed some wrong spelling in here, so I'm just correcting it, and then click on create caption. So in here you can see different kind of option is going on, like the subtitle thing. You can select the font style from here and the gaps between those sentences. In line section you can see single and double thing. You can choose one of them and then hit create. Then as you can see, the Premiere Pro have created the captions on his own. So let's just play the thing and see what we have just created.
If you've never used DaVinci Resolve before, don't worry, I'll go through everything that you need to know. And if you have used it before and you are familiar with the program, hopefully you can pick up a few tips and tricks along the way.
So guys, as you can see, we have successfully created the auto captions here, and if you are facing some like incorrect spelling in here, you can retype them and then fix the captions. So yeah, that was how to create auto captions in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.